Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sahana P, Chief Consultant Neurologist, ClearMedi Multispecialty Hospital, Mysore. Every year we celebrate April 11th as the World Parkinson's Day. What is Parkinson's disease? It is a neurodegenerative disease that affects the patient's ability to move, or it can affect their memory, or it can also cause psychosis or other associated symptoms. It is important to identify Parkinson's disease at its early stages so that timely treatment can be provided and for better productivity of life. So how do you identify Parkinson's disease? It is simple. Just remember the mnemonic trap. So what does T stand for? Tremors. So the patient can have pill rolling tremors in their hands, which can initially start on one hand and then progress to involve the other hand. R is for rigidity, where the patient develops stiffening of the limbs. A, where there is akinesia or bradykinesia, which means the patient can have slowness of activities. They have slowing of walking, slowing of daily activities. P is for postural instability, where the patient can have imbalance, which can present in the form of recurrent falls. So if the patient has any of these signs, kindly attend to a neurologist at the earliest. So sadly, Parkinson's disease still does not have a cure, but we can definitely intervene early and improve their quality of life. So what are the treatments that we can provide? So there are definitely oral medications which work as dopa agonists and improve their quality of life. Then we can provide them antipsychotics, we can provide medications to improve their memory. Along with that, the patient has to improve their nutrition status. You have to concentrate on what is known as the gut-brain axis. So you are what you eat. So healthy food will also help in delaying the progression of neurodegeneration. So if all these measures fail, we can also provide them what is known as deep brain stimulation, which is a mild intervention procedure, which can also improve their quality of life. So the support from the caregivers, their family is very important for Parkinson patients to lead a fruitful life. All Parkinson patients, you are not alone. Together, we can fight Parkinson's disease. Thank you.